Hello everyone. Today we are talking about tigers versus lions. Why do they live so differently? Tigers and lions are both big cats, but when it comes to how they live, they're complete opposites. Tigers live alone, while lions live in groups called prides. And there are very good reasons why these two cats live such different lifestyles. So in this episode of Animal Logic, we're going to find out why. Hi, I'm here to introduce you to my channel, where we learn about the amazing animals that share our planet. If you have a question about an animal that you'd like me to answer, you can put it in the comments below, and it might be used in a future episode. And if you like animals, why not subscribe to get notified when I upload a new video? Tigers, the lone hunters. Let's start with tigers. These majestic animals are found across a large range in Asia, and there are several subspecies, each adapted to its environment. For example, Siberian tigers live in cold, snowy forests, while Sumatran tigers live in warm, dense jungles. But no matter where you find them, tigers prefer to be on their own. To understand why tigers live alone, it helps to know what they eat and how they hunt. Tigers mainly eat large mammals like deer and wild boar. Sometimes they'll take monkeys, sloth bears, leopards, even crocodiles. Basically, if it's meat, a tiger will eat it. And they need lots of meat. An average adult tiger needs to eat about 15 kilograms of meat every single day, over 100 kilograms per week. Tigers are apex predators. Few animals are a threat to them, so they don't need to live in groups for protection. Instead, they are ambush hunters. That means they rely on stealth to get close to their prey, then use speed and power to bring it down. A tiger's striped coat helps it hide in tall grasses and dense vegetation, making it much easier to sneak up on prey. Hunting in groups would make stealth harder. Too much movement and noise would give away their position. Hunting alone also lets tigers cover more ground and control their own territory without competition from others. Tigers use scent marks to signal their presence, and most adults avoid intruding on another tiger's range. By living alone, each tiger reduces competition for food, and since they're skilled hunters, they don't need help from others. Lions, kings of the pride. Lions, on the other hand, are very different. They live on the savannas of Africa, vast, open grasslands with scattered trees. Unlike tigers, lions are social. They live in groups called prides. A pride isn't just a random gathering of lions. It's a community. Usually it's made up of related females and their cubs, along with a small number of males, often brothers. So why do lions live in prides? First, it has to do with what they eat. Lions hunt large herd animals such as zebras, antelopes, and buffalo. These prey species are fast, powerful, and travel in groups across open plains. Chasing them takes a huge amount of energy, but when lions work together, they have a much better chance of success. Coordinated group hunting allows them to ambush, surround, or isolate prey from the herd. One lion would struggle to take down a zebra or buffalo on its own, but a pride can manage it. Second, living in prides helps with defense. Prides must protect their territory from rival lions and scavengers like hyenas. Hyenas often try to steal kills, and they too hunt in groups. A single lion would easily be overwhelmed, but a pride can defend both its territory and its food. Third, prides are important for raising cubs. Lion cubs are vulnerable to predators, so protection is crucial. While a cub's mother is the main caregiver, other females in the pride also help feed, groom, and protect the young. Male lions, once they mature, often leave to form coalitions and challenge other males for control of prides. But while they're part of the pride, they also help defend cubs in territory. So why are the difference? In the end, both lifestyles work perfectly for their environments. Tigers are solitary because their forest habitats and ambush style of hunting favor stealth and independence. Their prey tends to live alone or in small groups, so cooperation isn't needed. Lions live in prides because the open savannas and large herd animals demand teamwork. Living in groups makes them stronger hunters, better defenders, and more successful parents. Tigers are loners because it suits their stealthy hunting style. Lions are social because group living helps them hunt, defend, and raise their cubs. Both strategies are successful, and both make these big cats the incredible animals they are. If you enjoy learning about fascinating animals, don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.